Hello, my name is Gary Falanga, and this is my term project for 15112. As you can see, this is the main menu for the game. The game is a 3D virtual lockpicking game. This is just the main menu, simple interface. You have scores, which currently we don't have a high score right now because we didn't play the game yet. You have options as well, in which you have advanced mode, where you can toggle advanced mode, but we'll get back to that. But then obviously click play to play the game, and you can see there's a fully 3D rendered virtual lockpick with textures and all the good stuff. And in order to pick the lock, you need to push the lower pins into the driver pins up top to lock the driver pins in order to be able to turn the inner cylinder. And you can get some movement out of the inner cylinder by applying tension or releasing tension with the up and down keys on the keyboard. And you can see it moves the lock, but obviously stops when it hits the pins. So you can see when we push these pins up, they set if we have enough tension applied, but when we release tension, they fall back down. So they don't just set automatically. So in order to set the pins, obviously, if you know anything about lockpicking, you need to push the pin up, apply no tension for the pin to set like that. Then we go try the next one. Also sets. Next one sets. Fourth one. And fifth one, and the lock unlocks. And so that's pretty basic. Obviously, the demo level is simple with all the lower pins are the same size, which makes picking it obviously much more simple. And we can head back to the main menu. We're pressing the Q key for a quit. And now if we go back to options, we can toggle advanced mode. And now when we hit play, we now have an advanced view of the lock, which this is a much more realistic simulation of lockpicking, because in reality when you lockpick, you obviously cannot see the inside of the lock, so you can't actually see what pins are set. And this mode's a lot harder because it's only based on sound. So you can still hear the pin setting. You can hear them setting and falling as they did in the normal mode, and you can still see the tension is applied by turning the lock. And so what we want to do is get that first pin, find where it is, apply tension to set them, and you see the lock is also picked the same, fully turns, and the lock opens. So we head back to the main menu, and that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching. This is my 15112 Chrome project, and that's about it.